If ChatGPT is giving you an error today, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether ChatGPT is not loading, showing an error message, freezing, or refusing to respond, these simple fixes will help you troubleshoot the problem quickly. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the most important thing to check is whether ChatGPT is actually down for everyone. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, it's a server problem, which means thousands of users can be affected at the same time. To check that, open your browser and go to status.openai.com. Once the page loads, look for any incidents, outages, or degraded performance messages. If there is a server issue, then the best thing to do is wait until OpenAI resolves it, because refreshing your browser or changing settings will not fix a platform-wide outage. If everything looks normal there, then move on to the next fix. The second thing to try is a simple page refresh. Sometimes ChatGPT just glitches temporarily, and a quick reload can solve it instantly. On Windows, press Ctrl and R together. On a Mac, you can use Command and R. After refreshing, give the page a few seconds to reload fully and see if the error clears up. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to start a brand new chat. Old conversations can sometimes become stuck or fail to load properly, especially if the thread is very long or contains too much context. Click New Chat in the sidebar, then copy or type your prompt again, and test it in the fresh conversation. This often works because it gives ChatGPT a clean slate without any issues from the previous chat. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause ChatGPT errors, failed responses, or endless loading. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. If needed, restart your router and reconnect your device. You can also open another website to see whether your connection is stable in general. A bad connection can look like a ChatGPT problem, when in reality it's just a network issue. Now, if the error is still happening, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted, which can interfere with ChatGPT loading correctly. Go to your browser settings, then find Privacy or Privacy and Security. From there, click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached files and cookies, then reload ChatGPT and sign in again if needed. This step often helps when the website seems broken, won't open properly, or keeps throwing repeated errors. So to recap, if you're trying to fix a ChatGPT error today, first check whether ChatGPT is down at status.openai.com. Then refresh the page, start a new chat, check your internet connection, and finally, clear your cache and cookies. One of these fixes usually solves the issue in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.